How to set up ducts for the Mark III. Connecting the ducts. First, gently stretch out the end of the duct and twist it counterclockwise. This helps the ribs slide into the groove and lock in securely. Start by attaching the duct to the adapter you'll be using. Next, remove the mesh cover from the unit. Then go ahead and connect the adapter with the duct to the inlet. Now for the cool air outlet. Attach the outlet adapter directly to the front vent. Press the outlet adapter and duct into the rear vent until it locks in place. Then, remove the mesh cover from the rear inlet and attach the inlet adapter with the duct. You've got a few ways to position the Mark III. Option 1. Place it outside the space you want to cool. Run both front ducts inside, one for blowing cool air in. The other pulls the indoor air back into the unit to be cooled again. Option 2. Keep the Mark III inside and vent the heat out the back. Run both rear ducts outside. One exhausts hot air, the other draws in fresh outdoor air. Option 3. Open space use. If you're in a well-ventilated area, no ducts needed. Just place the Mark III nearby and enjoy direct, cool air from the front outlet.